This one got hit down low right here in the back. Folded up the trunk floor a little bit, right in here as well. I have a Hyundai Elantra here. This one got hit down low right here in the back. I've had a bunch of these lately hit like this. It folded up the trunk floor a little bit, right in here as well. So this one's gonna get a new rear body panel, which I have right here. But first, I'm gonna make some pulls and pull that damage out. Once I get that roughly pulled out, I will go ahead and cut this rear body panel off, and then I'll be able to finish out hammer doweling the floor after that. Since this is gonna get a new back panel anyway, I went ahead and I drilled a hole through the back panel, and I put this plate in here, and I'm gonna use this to pull off of. I was getting ready to fit up the taillights, make sure everything's fitting correctly before I weld this together, and I realized both of these studs, the plastic was cracked around them, and the studs just fell out as soon as I went to bolt the taillight up. So we need a taillight. My guess is when it got hit, it flexed and caused cracks in the plastic, and then as soon as I went to mess with it, it started just falling apart. So this one is going to be on hold until I get a taillight, because I don't want to weld this in until I make sure everything's fitting properly.